Okay, so this is my new and improved cupcake tutorial with a new thing for sprinkles. I buy it in I forgot where I buy it, but it's art material and from okay, I can use this. Very handy. Like this one, see? Okay, I think you can't see it. That one, see? So we're gonna make this that, okay? Let's just get this out. Okay. Now. Okay. Now, before we get the drill, P.S. Look at my cute panda. This panda just ate a cookie. See? Guys holding cookie. How cute. It's the first pen that I made, so. Okay. Now, I have these cookie cutters. You can mix cookie also, and just see. This can be a cookie. Just press it and that. See, it can be a cookie. And I made one. Wait, I'll show you. Now, see, like this. I just painted this because it's blue. See? Okay. Put it here on the side. Okay, so if I like how this works, I can make a giveaway if this video or the past cupcake tutorial video will have 30 likes. So I mean, like, shipping these won't be costing, right? Right. Now, you can help to this for the base. So you just put the right amount, show it, see? And it doesn't really take long. And just let it fit. And there you have it. Maybe it's kinda too big, so you just roll a little. And that will be great and good enough. Okay? So, let's make the frosting. The indentions are for, like, later. Now the frosting. You just then roll it like a snake. Okay, so that will do. Do is just swirl it around and make it through their layers like that one. See? Okay. That'll do. Okay, actually. there. Okay, pressing right? No. For gradation, I use this. Gradation. I don't know if you can see it, but let's see. Done. Sorry for the, I don't know, a noise that you can hear. It's quite disturbing. Something to do with the camera screen, I guess. I don't know. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. It's so cute for a charm. It's so little, see? So cute. It's like a mini cupcake. See? Oh, and for this, all you do is like upside down like that. And press it like there. And whatever adds, see? Try to make, oh dear, oh, oh, okay, put it in, oh, 2 minutes, okay, put it in, oh yeah, that's, and so, you can also design it if you want, you like, something good to sound like, okay, let's just make that in place right there. Just press it. See? So, there we go. Tutorial 2. Oh, wait. You can also use, let's see, I have, had to jump on here. You can use that glittery. Okay, so you can see the glitter. That's jump. Sparkly. It also has a sparkly. That's what I don't buy anymore. I just opened this as a gift. So it looks so cute. So thanks for watching. These is gonna be one of my favorite, like favorite cupcakes. Can't believe it's longer than the other. Maybe because I don't know. Bye.